In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove double opt-in in Kit. If you're using Kit to collect email subscribers, you might have noticed that, by default, new subscribers receive a confirmation email before they're officially added to your list. That's called a double opt-in. It can be useful for keeping your list extra clean, but it also adds friction and can cause some people not to complete the sign-up process. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn that off so subscribers are added to your list immediately after they submit your form or landing page. First, log into your Kit account and head to the main dashboard. From there, look for the section labeled Grow. This is where Kit keeps all of the tools related to building and managing your audience. Click on Grow, and then choose Landing Pages and Forms. This will open a list of all the forms and landing pages you've already set up in your account. Next, find the specific form or landing page where you want to remove the double opt-in. This might be a newsletter sign-up form, a lead magnet page, or any other opt-in you're using. Click directly on the name of that form or landing page to open its settings and editor view. Once you're inside that specific form, look toward the top right area of the screen for the settings option. It's represented by a small gear icon. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open the settings panel for this form. On the left-hand side of the settings panel, you'll see a menu with different sections. Locate and select the section labeled Incentive. This is where Kit controls the confirmation email and any automatic delivery, such as a free download or lead magnet, that might be tied to the opt-in. Within the incentive section, you'll see a checkbox that says Send Incentive Email. This is the setting that triggers the confirmation or double opt-in email. To remove double opt-in, simply uncheck this box. When you do this, subscribers who fill out this form will be added to your list right away, without needing to click a confirmation link. After unchecking the box, scroll down to the bottom right corner of the settings panel and click Save. This makes sure your changes are stored in the editor, but you're not quite done yet. To push this change live so it affects visitors on your website or landing page, look back to the top right of the screen and click Publish. Once you've published, your form is updated, and new subscribers will now be added instantly, with no confirmation email required.